Okay, today we're going to talk about power levers. So in a lot of different sectionals specifically, especially on interior sectionals, if it's an interior recliner, it's going to have a lever like this. And the reason why is that you can install this lever down here in the chair and it kind of hides. And then all it does, kind of to show you, is it pushes back and forth. And that's what controls the recline mechanism. So they're handy, discrete handles that fit inside sectionals or recliners, so that you don't have to reach over. It makes it real easy to go, and it's just a real quick let pop. So the one thing we want to describe today though is there is a right-handed lever and there is a left-handed lever. The way that we describe it is if you're going to operate it when you're sitting in the chair with your right hand, it's a right-handed lever. And the way that you know is on this particular lever, the screws that mount into the actual chair are going to sit like this, and you're going to screw it in like this. And then the cord comes out the back so that then you can go plug it in directly to the motor. So this is a right-handed lever because I'm going to operate it with my right hand. If it's on the other side, it's a left-handed lever. Again, the cord's going to come out the back. The screw holes are here, so I mount it here, screw it in here, sits right here, and I operate it with my left hand. So that is the difference between a right hand and a left-handed lever.